Want to boost your curb appeal without breaking a sweat? Edging stones are an easy way to frame your landscape with style. Here's how you do it. First, measure and mark the area. You can outline along an existing plant bed or use a garden hose, rope, or marking paint to create a custom layout. Next, use a shovel to dig a trench about 2 to 3 inches deep along your marked line. Keep the loose soil close as you'll use it later to fill gaps. Now add leveling sand into the trench and compact it with a tamper. This creates a stable, even base for your stones and helps make leveling easier. Place your edging stones into the trench. Use a long level for straight sections and a torpedo level for curved areas. Adjust each stone by adding sand beneath to raise it or gently tapping it down with a rubber mallet. After laying all your stones, fill in the gaps with the loose soil you saved. This locks the stones in place and gives your border a finished look. Looking for other edging options? Try steel for durability, plastic or vinyl for flexibility, rubber for weather resistance, wood for a rustic look, or aluminum for a lightweight, rust-proof finish. Creating a border with edging stones is a simple way to add structure and style to your landscape. It gives your yard a clean, defined look while helping to prevent grass creep and keep mulch in place.